AUM mantra is one of the most powerful and ancient sounds in the Hindu tradition and is considered to be a sacred sound. This sound is said to contain the essence of the universe and is believed to have a profound effect on the mind and body when used in meditation. When used in meditation, the AUM mantra helps to calm the mind, reduce stress and anxiety, and increase inner peace. This is because the sound of the AUM mantra vibrates at a frequency that is said to resonate with the frequency of the universe, allowing the mind and body to align with this frequency and bring about a state of deep relaxation and inner peace. Benefits of chanting AUM mantra. 1. Aligns the mind and body with the frequency of the universe. 2. Connects with a higher consciousness and divine source. 3. Leads to greater self-understanding and inner peace. 4. Brings about numerous benefits for mental and spiritual well-being. 5. Improves focus and concentration. 6. Enhances spiritual awareness and connection to the divine. 7. Promotes a sense of calm and tranquility. 8. Strengthens the connection between the mind, body, and spirit. 9. Enhances the overall quality of meditation practice. Meditation with the AUM mantra is simple and can be done by repeating the sound silently in your mind or out loud. As you repeat the AUM mantra, focus your mind on the sound and let go of any distracting thoughts or worries. You can also visualize the sound of the AUM mantra as a bright light that fills your body, bringing you a sense of peace and calm. In addition to its calming effects, the AUM mantra is also said to have spiritual benefits. It is believed that by repeating the AUM mantra in meditation, you can tap into a higher consciousness and connect with the divine. This can lead to a greater understanding of yourself and the world around you, and can bring about a sense of inner peace and contentment.